In this video, I will show you how you can install and configure the Dropday module for PrestaShop. First of all, you need to create a Dropday account, or you need to log in to your Dropday dashboard. To do this, go to dropday.io and click on Login or Sign Up. In the menu, click on Integrations and select PrestaShop. Here, you can download the latest PrestaShop module from GitHub. Log into the back office of your PrestaShop store, click on Modules, go to the Module Manager, and click on Upload a Module. Here, you will need to select the zip file you just downloaded. After the module is installed, click on Configure. Now you need to fill in your API key and your account ID. To do this, go back to your Dropday dashboard, copy your API key and your account ID, and paste it in the module configuration page in PrestaShop. To test the module, we set live mode to No. After you've successfully tested the module, you can switch live mode to Yes. Now you can save the module configuration page. To test the connection, we're going to place a test order. To do this, click on Orders and Add New Order. Now you need to create a customer or search for an existing customer. Search for a product and click Add to Cart. Scroll down to the order summary, choose your payment method, and select Payment Accepted. Now click on Create the Order. Go back to your Dropday dashboard and click on Orders. Here, you can see the order we just created. Click on the order to see the order details. Here, you will see a notification that the order was placed in test mode. Now you can create an order workflow to forward your orders to the right suppliers. To do this, you have to create a supplier with an action, such as send email, place file on FTP server, or place web shop order. We're going to create a supplier with the action send email. After you have created a supplier, you need to create a rule to match the products from your incoming orders with your supplier. For example, when the product name contains t-shirt, place an order at t-shirt supplier. After you have configured your workflow, you can set your PrestaShop module to live mode. Now, you can start using Dropday to forward your web shop orders to your suppliers. Do you need help configuring your module or your Dropday account? Please contact our customer support team. You can send us a chat message or an email. You can also schedule a live demo with one of our customer success managers. Thanks for watching.